So I've been making my own Greek yogurt for a couple years now, and I recently found this machine from Dash. It's a Greek yogurt machine. And why would I get this machine? Well, if you have made your own Greek yogurt before and watched my other video, then you'd realize it's kind of messy, and I kind of want to take the mess away from this. So when I found that there was a machine that actually eliminated the use of a muslin cloth and things getting like dripping, and my fridge would get wet from the way that would drip. Anyways, there's lots of reasons why I am really excited to use this. When I first unboxed it, it looks like there is a couple of things you can do. You get to prep it, mix it, set it, and then strain it. I know that at this point it just becomes regular yogurt, and then when you strain it, that's when it becomes the Greek yogurt. So I'm going to do this right now. So the first thing that is not my favorite is I can't do a whole gallon of milk, which I usually do. I can only do half a gallon, which I'll live with for now. I'll just have to make it more often. So all I did right now was put half of a gallon in a pot that I use 2% milk, and I'm gonna let this milk get to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. So the milk got a little bit warmer than 185, which is totally fine. As long as I didn't burn it, and I know I didn't because I've made this a million times before. Like I said, I make it every week, so it's like 196 right now, which is totally fine. So right now I have to let it drop to 110 degrees to add my starter yogurt, and then I'm going to place it into the Dash yogurt maker. The temperature is around 106, but that's fine. I'm going to add about a half a cup of just plain Greek yogurt. So I just added about a half a cup of the Greek yogurt, and I am mixing it into my milk. Okay, so the milk is all the way full to the top, and I just push the start button. It's working, it's really cool. So I just noticed it was at 8 hours a bit ago. Now it says 7:59. So that's really cool. So I'm just going to allow this to sit in here overnight, and I'll show you guys the finished yogurt that's going to be in here. Right now all it is just the milk, so just hot milk. It is the next morning, 5:29 a.m. and the yogurt has cultivated, and if you can see, ta-da! So now I have to separate it from the whey, which is this yellow stuff. And how I'm going to do that is I am going to put this yogurt in here and allow it to strain. This is going to catch the whey, and then I'm going to put this in my fridge. So okay guys, so this is after several hours of straining. I dumped out the whey several times. So according to the directions, it has about 2.5 cups of yogurt. I'm going to show you how that looks like in a container. So my final review on the Dash Greek yogurt maker, 1 out of 10, I would give it about a 7. Here are some of the things I didn't like about it. So I typically warm up my whole gallon of milk in order to make yogurt. With this, it only fit about half of a gallon. So I had to, in order to do a whole gallon of milk, I had to use this machine twice. That being said, I made this much Greek yogurt with a whole gallon of milk. So that's freaking awesome. Like $3.40 for all this Greek yogurt because it's made from a whole gallon of milk. Anyways, time to move on. So another thing I don't like about this machine is the draining vessel. So the draining vessel is this blue container here, and then you put the Greek yogurt in here, and I felt that this container and this mesh thing were way too small. Not necessarily this blue thing, but this thing was way too small because I felt that I had to fill this up twice and dump the whey out. So that was kind of annoying, but other than that, this machine is freaking awesome. And if you make Greek yogurt at home, you realize how messy it is. This takes all the mess out of it. You just have to like wash this, and it's super easy to clean. I just put some soap and water on it, and it was so easy to clean. And it's compact, and it's small, and you can store it, and it runs about $45 on Amazon. So yeah, I think that you guys should look into this if you make your own Greek yogurt at home. I definitely am going to be using this every day, every time I make my own Greek yogurt. So I'll be using this. Thank you, Dash, for making this machine. It's freaking awesome. And I hope you guys benefited from this product review, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.